Dear teachers, students, and parents, at this ecstatic moment, supposed to be entered with jubilations and celebrations, I sincerely thank our good Lord for the gift of Mother Mary to our school family. Devotion to Our Lady of Mount Carmel takes back to 12th century, when a group of hermits settled down on the slopes of Mount Carmel, located in present-day Israel. Being only 20 miles from Nazareth, the upbringing place of Jesus, they dedicated the chapel to the Mother of Jesus. Incorporating to the location, they were called as Brothers of Blessed Virgin Mother of Carmel. Today, they are called as Carmelites. When they were forced to move to Europe, their future was uncertain. Tradition holds that in moments of struggles, they placed their trust in Mother of Jesus, and she appeared to a prior in England, St. Simon's Stock, on July 16, 1251, and gave a protecting mantle called scapular. Blessed Virgin Mary promised that all who wear this scapular will be rewarded with final perseverance. The name Carmel in Hebrew means the garden because of its renowned lush and beauty. In the mesmerizing beauty of the nature, the hermits experienced silence and solitude and conversed with the divine, the author of all creation. By imbibing the spirit from original Carmelite monks in 1886, St. Kyriakos Elias Chavara and Father Leopold founded an abode of virtues for the women in India, that is CMC, Congregation of Mother of Carmel, of which we are members. Blessed Virgin Mary, the Mother of Carmel, received the Word of God wholeheartedly and pondered in her heart, showed great trust in the providence of God. She believed and accepted that whatever God does in our life, He do it for our good. Mother Mary's trust teaches us not to rely on our own strength, but to have confidence in our Creator. Because of this confidence, she learned to surrender herself to God's will at each moment of her life. Even being the Son of God, Jesus was obedient to Joseph and Mary. Dear students, when you respect your parents, elders, and teachers, God's grace will flow into you through Jesus and Mary. Being the children of Carmel, we wish and pray for you and your family that you be blessed with God's wisdom and Mother of Carmel's care and protection. Dear parents, children are God's investment in your hands, and they shall be brought in best way possible, and you shall extend to them all kinds of protection. This is the responsibility God has assigned to you. So let us take extreme care in the upbringing of our children in fear of God and strong faith. Dear teachers and students, we miss you all, especially on this day. Let's join in our hearts in family spirit and celebrate together. Let us intercede to Mother of Carmel to save ourselves and the whole world from this pandemic. Wish you all once again a happy Carmel Day. Stay safe, stay sound. May God bless you all.